Hey, Zoe. Say hi. Say hi, everyone. You got the hiccups again? Poor thing. Tell everybody how you just cleaned up because you wet yourself last night. So we had to take a bath. So now you smell all fresh and clean. And she's wearing her cute pants that Papa bought her. And Bonnie. Hey, monkey. Hi, monkey. What are you doing? What are you doing over there? You waiting for Daddy to come home? Hey. You want to hold my hand? Yeah, pull it down, boo. Pull it down. Go like this. Go like this. Yay! 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 You're gonna do it next time, okay? Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Pull it down. Pull it down. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it, monkey. I know, yeah. I know you want it. I know you want it. Grab it. Mama will help you. Come on. Alright, ready? Pooh. Oh, you got your health care plan, Zoe. It's the biggest package you ever gotten.
Open it.
After all your Christmas presents.
Open it.
Is it too heavy? Alright, say bye. Bye-bye. I have to open my mail now.